Can you hand that to her? Can you hand that to her, please?
I can't hold on to this.
No, you gotta hand that to her.
Don't get aggressive.
No one's getting aggressive, man. Put your hands behind. Ma'am, turn around. Can you turn around, please?
Hold on. No, it's my sister though. Why is y'all touching me? Like, what the f is wrong with y'all?
Conspiracy to commit shoplifting.
Why y'all taking? Y'all saying that why are you talking?
Y'all can't do that. Y'all cannot.
On March 31st, 2025, Hoboken police responded to a theft in progress at a Lululemon store. The suspects had already fled when officers arrived.
Right, lady's saying it's a white Acura. Did they steal anything? Where? They're parked or? Oh. She's saying they drove off in a white Acura. All right, employee stating that the actors drove off in a white Acura. Headed northbound from 4th and Wash.
So turn the car off. Turn the car off. Turn the car off now. Turn the car off now.
Negative 60 watch.
Got your license, registration, and insurance.
Where are you guys coming from?
If you're able to, you grab one of the workers.
Where are you guys coming from?
Show up identification for the vehicle that just fled. We're able to stop them at 610 Washington.
When were you doing Hoboken? Where at?
Why did we just pull up because the tent?
He's going to spin.
111. Police uniform 11 Sierra Lima Bravo.
Yeah, that's the car that we have here. Can I see your ID, please?
I don't have my ID on the phone.
294.
Yeah, hello? We just got pulled over by the police and it's 1,000 of them. So we just got pulled over by the police.
I'm gonna bring one of them for you for yourself.
Yo, we just, it's hella.
294.
No, for real. It's like 5 police cars blocking us. Like, we can't go.
11 received. 294 go.
Take them all out of the car, have them stand here.
Why they in the car?
Exit the car, please. They're just standing right here on the sidewalk.
Turn around. Lima 21.
Why we exiting the car?
58.
Stay right there.
39.
Why y'all making a big scene?
Ma'am, stand over there. Stand over there. Guys, everybody out the car.
Come outside the car, please.
I can stand outside the car.
Just go by your friend on the sidewalk. Yeah, you got the car? Get out the car, please.
Ma'am, stand over here. Just stand over here, please.
Everybody is standing in the right place. I don't gotta act crazy.
Alright, so you guys are being investigated for a shoplifting. That's why you pulled you over, that's why you're out
We
of the
getting
car.
investigated for a shot.
Yes.
From where? I was in the car.
From what? Could y'all explain? Could y'all
From
emphasize?
Lululemon.
Lululemon. They pointed out your car. The white.
Someone point out your car that you're involved in the shoplifting.
How can y'all stop us from moving baby with shot?
So we have reasonable articulate
I see a million white cars. I'm so confused.
Yeah,
When
but
they gave
for
your
what
plate,
though?
that's
So
why
they give you a
your
plate
I know what I'm
specifically.
saying.
They
How
try
can
to
y'all
take
stop
over.
somebody, make them get out the car and say they was shot?
Were you guys at Lululemon?
So
Were you guys at
y'all
Lululemon?
saying that y'all all
I was in the car.
What about your other two
I'm
friends?
never in the road. Nobody.
Guys, cross the
It's
street.
the only park right there. We didn't leave because that was nowhere. There was no parking spot right there. We did see people walk out, but it was not
Do
us.
you have your license or do you have an ID, man?
No, we ran outside. It was we only came outside
Alright.
to go right back.
But do you have an
in.
ID, nothing?
No, I didn't know I would need any of that on my way coming outside. That's crazy. That is crazy. That is crazy. We wasn't even gonna come outside today because it was too nice outside.
What's your first name? I'm just typing it in. What's your first name?
Listen, us making a big.
You have ID, ma'am? ID?
No, I don't have my ID.
You have nothing with your name?
Huh?
You have nothing with your name?
Here, emotions start to spill over. The suspects are confused, defensive, and unaware they're about to be formally accused.
7B.
North 18th Street.
What time is it?
Y'all just did a lot. Y'all could have pulled us over.
They glisten us. They really glisten. They make it look big.
And glad we said, hey.
What's your name, man? Anaya?
He don't want to talk, but they just blissed us, made us get out the car and everything because they said somebody. I don't know, but you know, I don't deal with cops. I got PTSD.
Yeah, you guys are suspected of shoplifting. That's
You
why we're
keep
here.
saying that. You keep saying that. But you can't just make somebody get out their car because you say that right. Y'all can't just do that. Y'all don't got no cameras in there or something.
What's your name? What's your name?
Y'all don't got no cameras in.
But the door is open. You are looking at
your first name?
We can look from plain view.
We're not trying to argue with y'all.
So I can close our doors? Y'all got her doors
Just hang out right here.
I
Stop
feel
right get on the
attacked.
wheel.
Well,
I'm
this
pretty
shit
sure
is
you need
crazy.
search warrants to check anybody's stuff.
Listen.
Why
Just
is
hang out
she
for
walking
the
up on
building.
her like that?
Relax. Order to go against the building.
She
That's
is.
why.
But I'm saying, can y'all close the doors?
No, the door's saying open. Go
Y'all
against the
say
wall.
y'all looking from plain view, but the doors are
Go
open.
against the wall,
Sister,
please.
because he put his hands on you, I'm gonna be upset.
I know. Nobody's putting
You say
put
you
hands on
say you know,
anybody.
but no, that's how y'all play. Like,
I think they can't look at anything without a search warrant. They say they're looking from plain view.
You're both under arrest.
These two? Okay.
what we under arrest
You're
for?
both under
All right.
arrest.
Man, put your
What
hands
am I under
behind.
arrest
What are they
for?
under
Take this out of your
arrest
hands.
for?
What am I under arrest
Take
for?
my phone, Tasia.
Take that out
What
of your
you
hands.
mean she under arrest?
Can you
I am.
can you hand that to her? Can you hand that to her, please?
I can't go to this.
No, you
But
no,
why
you
you
gotta hand
under
that to her.
arrest? Don't get aggressive.
So no one's getting aggressive, man. Put your hands behind. Ma'am, turn around. Can you turn around, please?
Hold on. No, it's my sister though.
Why is y'all touching me? Like, what the f wrong with y'all?
Conspiracy to commit shoplifting.
Why y'all taking? Y'all saying
Why are you talking? Y'all can't do that. Y'all cannot. They
Absolutely
can't arrest you,
can.
Tasia.
She's getting arrested for conspiracy to commit shoplifting.
No, she's
Absolutely.
not.
I never went in the store.
How does that?
I can't drive your car, but we'll tell you where to pick it up from.
I can't get my car out the tow. Like,
Why
that's what
can
I'm
you get
saying.
it? We'll explain it.
Because I gotta pay for
Most
that.
likely we're going to tow for it, though.
But I'm saying that's $200. I can't pay for that. Like,
We'll see if we can move it, but it's not going to be a definite.
can you please just move it into a parking spot so I can at least come back and get it?
towed because it's unregistered.
There you go.
It's unregistered. I have a registration. My car's not unregistered. No, it did not. No, it did not. I'm gonna tell my mother to take a picture of it because it's not. It's registered.
Why don't we go on the other side?
What do you mean?
That's not the car, so I'm gonna have to put her in a different car.
Can I have my phone, please?
I'm in 137.
Put it in my pocket.
It's not going in your pocket. It's not, you're under arrest. You don't have any property with you.
How am I under arrest? What did I do?
You're trying to say this. Yeah,
It's alright. Yo, I didn't even do nothing. I can never believe this, yo. I cannot believe this. I'm not even in the store.
Listen, we're going to explain everything to you, but the thing is that it's considered that you're the getaway driver. So you're
I'm the getaway driver?
They committed shoplifting.
What the f***
Waited
that got to do with me?
So you got conspiracy to commit shoplifting. Thank you.
We're gonna have a female searching you. All right, no problem.
Just so you know, you don't dictate what's happening. You're under arrest.
I can't. It's my body.
Just
Y'all
walk this
can't
way.
touch me.
Yeah, a female's gonna search you.
I know that a female is supposed to pat me down.
Okay, no problem.
I don't know what he's talking about. I do know that.
Okay. We have a female officer, brother.
Right? How was she under arrest? You could get a good ass lawyer for that. You're trying to say conspiracy.
Yeah, that's right. You guys
something.
can get a lawyer,
She
no
can't
problem.
control when nobody else.
The story deepens here. One of the women insists she never entered the store, and her sister's heartbreak shows just how complex this situation is.
What is going on? What is going on? Like really though, what is going on?
I can put her on 105? All right, ma'am, just walk this way with me, please. Ma'am, can you walk this way with me?
Last unit, go ahead.
He has 105 in the.
It's on the corner up there? All right.
That brown outfit did not come out of Lululemon. That's something that we have receipts for. He can only take what has alarms on it. You can't take that brown set. That brown set don't have
Come on,
no
man.
alarms
Come on,
on
man.
it.
I don't want to hear what you
That okay, but you can't take that brown set.
You have keys?
That doesn't have
yeah, I got
no,
an idea,
that doesn't have no alarm on it. And you can watch the cameras and see that it was never taken. Y'all just touching stuff now. We was going to trade that.
You got it?
Yeah.
Can I get my purse out of that car? I can't get my purse.
Your purse?
Yes, I need my purse.
Hold on, what's that?
Because I don't
She
have
wants to
time
get her
for
purse
that
out of the car,
It's
or-
a silver car.
We'll get her first.
It's a
Yeah, we'll-
silver
Do we need her to check out? Are you available?
Josh, who are we gonna call with?
That's for inside.
You just want to come with me in this?
Yeah.
Come to 6 and watch, stand by with the car. We're on.
Ma'am, just have a seat in here, please. Thank you.
14 interrupt, 6 and watch. 110, sorry, we're
What
block
was the
away.
purse?
Back seat's good.
It's
I'll
silver.
grab it for you.
Where is it in the car?
Right here,
Right
check out
there
the
on
guard.
the, it looked like it was sitting on the glove compartment. Not the glove compartment, it's,
So,
little,
okay.
it's a bright silver big MK bag.
Okay, we'll get that for you. Yeah, Mark, when you head over there, just
You want me to come up with you or go back and look for your
purpose. I'll have Josh come with me.
All right, Josh, go on the other side. Just just gotta put the belt on there.
We really
282, you got that?
No, yeah, we
I
got
have to put a seatbelt
We
on.
actually have to. You got room, Josh? Yeah. All right.
How are you?
What's up, man? Shoplifting.
I wasn't in the store.
Okay, conspiracy to shoplifting.
I was in a car.
All right, listen. You could plead not guilty in court. Right now, it's the arguing. It's not going to get us anywhere.
I'm just saying, like, I'm in a car. My first car.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Listen. You have the right to plead not guilty to anything. Everything's being recorded.
And my other little sister, she just came in here to try to do. She never took nothing. She didn't take anything. Those are both my little sisters. Like, I feel crazy right now.
You guys all sisters?
You can't just let them. Y'all can't let them go.
No.
Cause what did they do?
Just face that yellow sign, please. Right there. Face that sign.
I don't understand how they're still being detained and stuff.
Move up. On time.
Ouch.
Oh yeah, I think I'll back for it. Have a seat.
Who can I go for outside? Like,
You
she
also
don't
go
steal
from
nothing.
Sit down, please. Oh, sorry. I'll give you
That's my
the
little sister. She don't steal. And the other one was just driving. She did not know. She didn't have to search to do anything. She didn't know what I was doing here.
Wait, is that working right now? You have jewelry on, earrings? You have to take them off. I'm gonna take your hat off. Just put that there. We'll keep on. You have the other one?
No, the other one's not in.
Nose ring. Can you take that out? Thank you.
I set patrol and I had called her, she was on a 5:30.
I keep trying to tell him that she was in the stealing nothing. It was only me. She didn't take nothing. I never have footage of me taking stuff. They don't have footage because she don't steal.
Want me to get her? Just grab her property. It's up to you. Whatever you want to do.
We'll live together, bro.
Yeah, I mean that's her. Those are the phones. I can get her out the car. Gustavo, ma'am, just stand here, please. Stand over here. Can you face the wall? It's right over here. Washroom?
I'll have them check the, because it takes like 20 minutes to get a call. I'll have them check the driver's license, I'm sorry, the registration. His registration. The driver's license
My
doesn't
mother,
matter,
I
it's
can
a
tell her
car.
to send a picture of the registration so she can get
So
everything.
I'll have them look at it again, but it's whatever it says in the system.
But I'm saying, you can look it up on the picture.
The registration could be either suspended or
No, my
expired.
license is suspended.
I'm gonna double check. I'm gonna ask some of the people.
My license is suspended. I just ordered brand new ones.
I'm gonna double check with them.
That's what's
I'm gonna take
they
your
do that all the
reason down
time.
and I'm gonna check with them.
I've gotten pulled over multiple times. Could I please answer on that family? They want me.
You can make a phone call, just not in a second. We got to get everybody situated on the bench. Once we get everything relaxed, we know exactly what's
But
going
they-
on.
But I
We
went
can
for
tell you and we'll let you make a phone
no, but
call.
I'm saying I went for court for a suspended license.
Right.
They said it always pops up as a registration is expired, and it's really the license
Did you ever
that's
take that up with the
suspended.
DMV?
The suspended, no, but they sent it in the mail.
Okay, I'm
And
gonna
they
ask them,
said-
so because we check and I'm gonna ask them to check again.
I could call the place that I have a
I tried to
registration
put that one
for.
on silent. So
I could call the place that I have the car from.
I gotta ask
They
them. It's
just
what's
sent
in the
me a
system. It's not what you can provide. It's what's in the system. If it's
But what
what's
I'm
in the
saying-
system is incorrect, you got to go to the DMV and take care of that on your own.
Right?
Yeah.
But,
You go, ma'am. You come in.
Let me check my
Thanks, man.
but I'm not saying. Like,
Just over here.
could you guys check it?
My car.
Just stand over here.
No, my license is suspended.
She's just gonna search you. All right, just stand over here. Just stand over here.
Still can't take your car. They gotta have somebody with the license to come take your car.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
If you have a prescription, they can't take your car. They cannot take your car. They gotta have somebody with a license to come get your car. That's not your car.
But they're not going to call me.
My uncle was a whole CO. My uncle was a whole CO.
Officers confirm recovery of stolen merchandise. But legal consequences are just beginning. Selma and emotions remain raw.
727-047.
Search. This is all that we can lawfully recover at the time of the search. So we have 4 items recovered.
Okay.
So if you guys can just scan that up for us and let us know. Do you think they took more than that?
Yes. There was definitely a water bottle. There was more jack.
Was it a pink water bottle?
Yeah.
Donovan. And so I saw the bottle. I didn't see anything else. Right, there should be a pink water bottle in the back seat. That also belongs to Lululemon. And we're gonna have cameras, obviously, right?
Yes.
These work on securing this footage that you may have, and then we'll do a follow-up investigation.
We're gonna submit a thing to our AP, and then I think you guys might have the link or
We haven't
for it,
protected
but
that
we'll
specifically for you guys.
yeah.
I can't find the red water bottle in the back seat of this car.
You guys need a case number for the store?
Yes, actually, probably.
It's are you ready after you? No. Okay. That's our case number.
Thank you so much.
And who should we send the email to for the video? It should be in house already. If you guys don't have it on hand, we should have it in our system.
It should be in the system, but I can also give you this.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Have a good one.